Okay friends, today we are going to discuss physics class 12. This is online classes. After hard demand, I have to make such type of videos because many students have said that, sir, please make video of class 12. Okay, so I am making all these videos. Okay, try to understand. In case of any problem, you can contact me directly. Okay. Physics class, Gauss law and its application. It is here about charges. You should know many properties and many things. Here Gauss law and its applications. After Coulomb's law, I want to discuss here Gauss law and its applications. Okay. What are Gauss law? What is Gauss law? Okay, try to understand. First thing, the total flux of the electric field E over any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon 0. Already I have discussed in Coulomb's law epsilon 0. K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Here same thing, here epsilon 0, it is used for electric charges times the net charge enclosed by the surface. It means phi is equal to q by epsilon 0. Here phi, what thing? Total flux. Now how do you understand total flux? Suppose this is a figure. This is area of rectangle. Here you are seeing area of rectangle. In this case, it is made of like this line. And then this is an area. Okay. Similarly, here charges will flow like this and make an area. Okay. Here layer by layer. Try to understand. Here one thing. How do you make an area? Simply you will layer. Suppose like this also. But in this case, it is like this. Okay. Phi is equal to q by epsilon 0. What things? Once again I am repeating Gauss law and its application. Gauss law. What is Gauss law? The total flux of the electric field E over any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times the net charge enclosed by the surface. Phi is equal to q by epsilon 0, where q is charge. Applications of Gauss law. Several times this question is asked in the examination. Here first, electric field due to an infinity long straight charge. What thing? Electric field due to an infinity long straight charged wire. Here long straight charged wire. Consider an uniformly charged wire of infinity length with charged density lambda. Let P be a point at a distance r from the wire and E is electric field. What things? E is electric field. Here E is electric field. You are seeing in this figure. What things? Electric field due to what thing? Electric field due to an infinity long straight charge wire. Okay, try to understand all the things here I have written. Here area of this, here like this 2 pi r circle. Area note, it is circumference 2 pi r. Circle area is pi r square. Circumference is 2 pi r. And for a small element ds. ds here I have written r, p, e, arrow shown here, electric field just opposite in this side, also plus sign. Okay, this is a figure. Consider an uniformly charged wire of infinity length with charge density lambda. Charge density, what is charge density? Charge density lambda. Let P be a point at a distance r from the wire and E is the electric field electric field is electric field. A cylinder of length L, radius R closed at each end. Consider a small, very small area ds on the Gaussian electric field. What thing? Here you will take Gaussian electric field. Okay, Gaussian electric flux. It means phi is equal to phi E ds cos theta. What thing? Phi is equal to, this is closed integral. Here definite integration, definite integration, and in this case closed integral. It means there is limitation. E ds cos theta. Now next thing, surface. Phi is equal to closed integral E ds, here this is closed integral. E ds theta is equal to 0. What thing? When theta is equal to 0, what will you get? Cos theta, cos 0, sin 91, so cos 0 is equal to 1. And this area 2 pi r. What is area? 2 pi rl. Okay? Area 2 pi rl. Here length is L and circumference is 2 pi r. It means, suppose it is breadth. 2 pi r is breadth and length is L. Then area will be what? L into 2 pi r, that is 2 pi r L. Okay? And E2 pi r L is equal to lambda E by epsilon 0 from Gauss law. Or E is equal to, finally what things? You have to find electric field. So E is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon 0 into R. Okay? This is the electric field in case electric field due to an infinity long straight charge wire. Okay? Try to understand all the things which is given here. It is an important question. I hope you will like this thing and try to understand all. Next thing we want to discuss, that is electric field due to an infinity charge plane sheet. What things? Electric field due to an infinity charge plane sheet. What thing? Electric field. Here there is electric field, but here infinity charge plane sheet. Plane sheet. Here this you can understand this thing, plus charge. Here in this case, here P, and also here E ds, P dash ds E, and distance between here to there is R. Okay? The total flux through the closed surface is phi. What thing? Total flux phi E ds P plus phi E ds P dash. Theta is equal to 0. In both cases, theta is equal to 0. Then what will you get? Finally, you get EA plus EA. What thing? EA plus EA. Then what thing? 2EA. Adding both things, here same thing is here, so 2 times EA. The net charge Q within the Gaussian surface is Q is equal to sigma A. This is sigma A. Using Gauss law, 2EA is equal to what thing? Sigma A by epsilon 0. What thing? If you use Gauss law, then what will you see? 2EA is equal to sigma A by epsilon 0. Because there is also what thing? Q is equal to sigma A. Okay? So therefore E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Simply E is equal to what thing? A cancel, then what will you get? Sigma by 2 comes in the denominator, so sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Here in this case denominators 2 will come, cross multiplication, you will do cross multiplication, and finally you will get result is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon 0. This is the case when electric field due to an infinity charge plane sheet. Consider a Gaussian surface in the form of cylinder. Here electric field due to an infinity charge plane sheet, in a plane sheet. Now third, electric field due to 2 parallel charge sheet. Now there are 2 parallel charge sheets. Suppose one and other. Parallel, try to understand parallel and perpendicular. Here parallel E1 E2 plus minus E1 plus E2 minus P2 P1. Okay. consider two charge densities plus sigma and minus sigma. Charge density, we have to things are we taking here? We are taking plus sigma and minus sigma is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon 0 when the point P1 is in between the sheets. If point is in between the sheets, then what will you observe? You will observe E is equal to E1 plus E2 sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma by 2 epsilon 0, that is equal to sigma by epsilon 0, right? 2 here 2 sigma by 2 epsilon 0, 2 cancel, so sigma by epsilon 0, right side. It will be in the right side. At the point P2 outside, this is the case of point in between, but in the case of outside, E is equal to E1 minus E2. There will be minus sigma by 2 epsilon 0 minus sigma by 2 epsilon 0 is equal to 0. At the point P2 outside, if P2 is outside, now next also there are these are applications here. The fourth application, electric field due to uniformly charged spherical cell. Electric field due to uniformly charged spherical cell. It means uniformly distribution is always same. Here we have drawn this figure, and outside also here R, and here from here this is also small r, capital R, and here E. Try to understand all the things. Case first, phi is equal to EDS. Always you know this thing from Gauss law. Phi is equal to EDS, and here ds means what? 4 pi square. 4 pi r square. E into 4 pi square q by epsilon 0 is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square outside. If you will take outside, in case of uniformly charged spherical sphere, and case second on the surface, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square, that is r is equal to r. Here r is equal to r, same, both are same. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square is, so r is equal to r and on the surface. Now third case also there is. In this case, in the fourth case, there is also case third. At a point inside the cell, if there is, it is inside, phi is equal to into ds E into 4 pi square from Gauss law, E 4 pi square by is equal to q by epsilon 0, and that is equal to 0 because here E is 0. So what thing? At a point inside the cell, what will be the electric field? Electric field will be 0. Here these are the fourth case. But if there is lightning, in this case, if you are sitting inside the car, you can save. There is no problem, because if it is made of, car is made up of metal, and inside the metal there will be no electric charges, electric current will not flow. So here this thing, electrostatic shielding, it means if you are sitting under the car and you are safe from thundering, in this case this is what thing? Electrostatic shielding. Okay, the metal body of the car provides shieldings where electric field is 0. Okay, here what thing are you observing? This is electrostatic shielding. It means there will be no flow of electric current. Okay, I hope you are trying to understand all the things. If you read regularly and take time in all these things, I hope you can understand all these things. Here one thing I want to share, and that thing is, please subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.